Hey guys, welcome back. And today I want to share the topic and the importance of content creation and its influence on today's world. And it is necessary to create content on today's world because everything is a content and everyone is creating content. Here it is a photo or it's a video or it's a podcast or it's a blog or anything. Without content in today's world, you cannot do the important work and cannot reach to so many people around the world. And how you create content. First of all, content creation is showing your personal brand of who you are and what you work on and what you're working on or what your goals and dreams and aspirations in your life. Whether it is you are a YouTuber or want to create videos or you're a blogger or you're building any startup or business of your own. But content creation is very important. The content creation shows unique values and unique skills to the world. It gives you the platform or to show your skills to the world, but it also helps you in your long-term game where you can gain so much of wealth or so much of fame through that. You want to create a business or you want to start a startup or you want to create some online money, the content creation will truly help you because the content has a powerful brand. It can make you anything possible through your brand, through your personal brand, particularly because of it will show you who you are and your authenticity will create more brand. It will help you grow your business, it will help you grow your brand, and it will help you to utilize the branding content where you do the brand deals or you want to promote any other person's business or other something like that through social media or YouTube can create money as well. But when you're working on creating content from first of 3 to 6 months, it will be very struggling to whether you're looking for good on camera, I'm capable to do it. You have like so many doubts like this, but you have to constantly stick to a plan, stick to specific content on what you want to create or what you have the skills or the what you interested in. Then it will be very easy to create content on that. Where the content is very useful for you to show your skills and you can stand out in a crowded market. To beat your competitors or to stand out, you have to create content. Means you have to show your unique skills and talent to the world, where you can reach thousands or millions of people around the world through internet. In which means everyone can create content through their phone or through their laptop with any single camera or a single mic. It not cost much more. It not cost more money or more time. But you're creating consistently the content, it will help you in a long term. For example, you take some any video and million views, so many people know you by this video and they will follow you on social media or on YouTube. And when somebody interacted with you on outside real world, they can easily find you. And if you're trying to forget the opportunity in any field you're working on or you are passionate about, then they can easily get you and then you can easily get the attention of them where they can watch you or they can watch your videos, and then it will be very easy to create. It will be very easy to pursue your career on a particular interested field you are passionate about. In this way, in so many ways, the content will help you in your life. And I think when you're creating content, you have to keep this in mind. Next time when you're creating content, you have to be your own unique voice, your own unique brand, by not doing what others are doing or by not copying. You can copy, but you have to create your own thing with the same strategy or the same system of how they are doing and how they are successful. With that, you can easily create content, easily grow your brand as a voice of your personal brand, and it will help you to your future. Don't forget that your creativity has so much potential to make a difference and show to the world. So don't stop creating and telling your stories to the world, for which to the world where you can inspire some people and you can create an impact on the world. You like this content and want to learn more about this type of content, like and subscribe, and we'll meet on the next video.